Hey, what's up? My name's JERiCK and we are back with another XG reaction. I love me some XG. I'm excited for this. In the Rain. Love me some R&B. So let's get it. Is this gonna be a performance video?
Rain on my shoulder,
Hey.
cloud in my head over heels, nothing I fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding
Hey.
it, every day, what
This is cool.
about you still running in, goodbye.
I didn't even notice that the floor was wet. I saw the reflection, but now seeing this, like, I mean, it makes sense, right? It's supposed to be rain, so obviously there's gonna be water on the floor. So yeah, this is sick, dude. I didn't know this was a performance video too.
Like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame.
Let's go, Jen.
Nobody to blame but you, baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the
Woo!
out in the cold, with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm on side, I'm on side?
I like this.
So let it rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella.
Kokona looks badass, dude.
In the rain, 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 in the rain. Rain.
Outfits, pretty cool. I love the concept. It's just like a dance video. Yeah, I love the whole setting, dude. Like, this is cool, man. Because like XG music videos have always been very like flashy, but this one's super simple. It's a dance performance. Yeah, this is like a little bit different than the usual stuff, which is great, dude. That means it just shows like their variety of creative ideas.
Washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain.
Julia looks good, dude.
Out in the cold, with nobody to hold.
She's always been a cutie though.
I'm a side, I'm a side.
She said too.
So let it rain, let it rain.
All of them, actually.
Ain't no sign of a
I love Kokona, dude. She looks badass. I love the hat.
in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay.
Ooh.
Funny how I don't wanna make it stop, stop. Hails every time it drop, drop, drop. Each drop. Yeah. Right now you got me dancing.
Getting chills, goosebumps, man.
Sometimes the words just can't explain.
This is so cool. I like this, dude.
Ain't no one will look back.
I love the colors too. The gray, the blacks, the white, and the gold. Like the lighting is amazing, dude. Like this is good. This is good. Cool choreography. You know, you already know. Girls can dance.
By myself like I'm insane. Sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye.
Like this, the reflection on the water. That's dope.
It was only a game, but a pity.
The lighting too is so good.
Friend without me, baby. Pour down the drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain. With nobody
Hey.
to see on my side, on my side.
Woo. This is dope.
What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light.
Hinata, man.
Still standing here right when you left me. In the rain, 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 in the rain.
I love the silhouette. Ooh, that's cool. I like that. Hey. I love the transitions because it's the same choreography. So they're just basically doing like a group and then a solo performance, but in the same formation. That's why like the transition is very seamless because you can see like they're in like the same position in this.
In the rain, in the rain, in the rain, baby, let me
Hey,
can't stop watching you.
hey, 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 hey. Yeah, that's so dope.
Baby, let me stop, can't stop
Like,
you.
woo.
Still I'm standing here. Can't you see on my side, on my side? In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Ooh, that was good. Amazing. Honestly, I expect nothing less from XG. Always delivering quality performances, quality music, and they actually look great in those suits, man. This is awesome, man. Very cool concept. And they are performing in Coachella I think it's this weekend. Next weekend, I think. Both of them. Yeah, so that's gonna be super dope. You know, after Coachella, their popularity is gonna go up higher and higher. And yeah, I'm looking forward to their new music too because they've talked about releasing new music this year. So that's gonna be super awesome. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.